Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to see comparison video of Parachute 100% pure coconut oil and Vatika enriched coconut hair oil. Let's get to know about Parachute first. Parachute is well-known brand which is used in all households and that too from ages. This oil is purely made from coconut. If I want to talk about Vatika enriched coconut hair oil, then this hair oil is made from Pak Vidhi. If you want to know in detail about Pak Vidhi, then I have made separate video on Vatika hair oil and I have given the link in the description box below. Vatika hair oil is made with a blend of 7 Ayurvedic herbs like coconut, amla, lemon, henna, brahmi and so on. If I want to talk about packaging of Parachute, then Parachute packaging is quite simple and minimalistic. Now let's talk about packaging of Dabur Vatika. It's clutter packaging and even they have mentioned that you will able to see 50% of hair fall reduction in 4 weeks. If I want to talk about Parachute oil, then you will be able to see 50% hair fall reduction in 2 weeks only. The net volume of Parachute hair oil is 175 ml and it costed me for Rs 62 only. The volume of Vatika hair oil is 150 ml and it costed me Rs 84. To talk about the smell of the product, then both the products are smell-wise are good. But personally, I like smell of coconut. So Parachute hair oil, according to me, smell-wise gets 1 point. And when I have used Vatika oil, that time it really reduced my hair. But I used it for 1 month. It really made my hair soft and within a week it has really reduced my hair fall. If within a week it is reducing my hair fall, then I am going to stick to Parachute hair oil only. I told you that I have used Dabur Vatika enriched coconut hair oil for 1 month and during this 1 month I noticed that it was a small procedure to reduce hair fall. It has reduced 50% of my hair fall which they have claimed on a bottle in a week. If I am getting 100% coconut oil for Rs 62, then I'll be going to save my money and I'll be sticking it to this product only. If I'm getting 100% coconut hair oil for 62 rupees, then it's a good saving. According to me, I'm going to use Parachute coconut oil and I'm going to stay loyal to this hair oil as it will be beneficial for my hair and it is going to make my hair stronger, longer and shinier within a year. I'm just hoping for it and I'm sure that Parachute is not going to break my trust. So I'm going to stick to this Parachute coconut oil and do tell me which hair oil do you use presently and it is making your hair grow faster. I would love to hear it from you. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel and I'm going to come up more videos like this on my channel and stay happy and try to explore the things which we are ignoring in this busy world.